Are you a crypto investor, a crypto trader, or a crypto miner and wanting to understand what you can claim on your tax return? Well, today's video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Rooshocks, and today I'm going to be talking about crypto tax deductions. So deductions that you can claim, and I'm going to be breaking it down into three different categories. We're going to have for crypto investors, crypto traders, and crypto miners. Now, if you're wanting more details on any of those things, trader versus investor or miner, I do have other videos on my channel you can go and check out for a more in-depth description on that. But today we're just going to be focusing on the deduction side of things. So just because you're involved in crypto doesn't mean there's no deductions available to you. While maybe there might not be as many as a traditional business, there are definitely going to be areas that you can look at that you may be spending money that then you can claim as a deduction against your either investment income or your mining income or your trading income. Now, one thing I do want to touch on before I talk about the three different areas is to make sure that you check with your accountant, your tax agent, or the ATO on whether these are claimable for you, because everyone's situation is different and you need to seek individualized tax advice. So we'll start with the crypto investor because this is the most common thing, and there aren't as many deductions as the others, but there definitely are a few here. So some of the key things that you potentially could claim as a crypto investor is tax software, for instance. So if you've paid for a subscription to Coinly or Crypto Tax Calculator or any of the other crypto tax tools, then the cost of that subscription or the cost of that software will be deductible in most cases. Other things that crypto investors may have paid for may be courses. So they may have done a course on how to invest in crypto. So that could potentially be deductible. We've got accounting fees. So obviously if you're paying a tax agent like myself, then those accounting fees are deductible in your next year's tax return. So there are a few different bits and pieces, and it's worth keeping track of these because any deduction you can claim helps save tax. And then the other key one for crypto investors is gas fees. So you want to make sure that you're tracking the cost of your transactions because these are likely going to add to the cost base of these assets. Some people may be treating these slightly differently. Check with your accountant on that. But in general, the fees that you're paying to transact with these investments is going to be claimable. Now, before we talk about crypto traders, I've got two things for you to do. First, hit that subscribe button. And second, join the Rooshocks Discord because it's where I'm talking about all things Rooshocks NFT project, which if you haven't checked that out and you're involved in the crypto space and you're wanting help with your tax return, I'd love for you to go check out the NFT project. But there's also lots of great discussions going around about crypto tax. We're talking about these things, we're answering questions, so I'd love to have you there. The link is in the description. And now let's get into talking about crypto traders. Now, so for those that are crypto trading, there's a little bit more because you're running a business of trading. And as soon as you're running a business, things do change a little bit when it comes to what you can claim. So for a business of crypto trading, suddenly you're doing this more often. So you're likely to be able to claim maybe some phone or internet costs or costs for buying a laptop or a computer. And that's because you're using this asset or you're using these services to conduct your business of crypto trading. Now, obviously with those things such as internet or a new computer purchase, if there is a personal use portion to these, which there is likely going to be, then you can only claim what percentage that is business related. So if you buy a new laptop and you use it for your crypto trading, but you're also using it for stuff personally, you need to work out what the business related portion of that is and only claim that. And that goes the same for your internet. Work out how much is actually being used for your crypto trading business and just claim that portion. And again, as a crypto trader, you can claim all those things I mentioned previously, such as course fees, such as crypto tax software. Maybe you're paying for a subscription to Microsoft Excel or something like that that you're using to then track your crypto trading business. Maybe you've got accounting fees. Any of those things is likely going to be claimable. It's just that it's typical that for a crypto trader, you're doing this on a larger scale and therefore there's likely to open the door to more deductions. Something else for the crypto traders out there is you're likely going to be using some form of stock system when you're valuing your crypto. So therefore that if your crypto drops in value and you're making stock adjustments based on market value, this is likely going to work a little bit like a deduction because it's going to be reducing your income. So understanding stock is really key to understanding your overall tax position for crypto traders. And then the final one I want to talk about was for crypto miners. So crypto miners are going to have extra deductions when it comes to hardware, such as the hardware that they're using to run their mining setup. So this will obviously be deductible because it is required to run their business. So again, for those that are running a business of crypto mining, I've said that keyword business. So again, it opens the door to business related deductions. So for crypto mining, you may be buying a new computer that runs the mining software, for instance. So again, a portion of that may be deductible. If you've paid for some course fees to learn how to do mining, or you're paying for any kind of software to track anything, that is going to be deductible. So understanding how all this works is really key to reducing your overall tax liability. Crypto miners may be paying accounting fees, but they may also be paying accounting software fees. So maybe they're running these transactions through an accounting software such as Xero. So that again is likely to be claimable for this crypto mining business. So anything that is related to the crypto mining business is likely to be deductible, but obviously check with your accountant. As soon as you're running a business, you're likely to be using your accountant, and have a chat to them. Make sure they understand crypto mining or crypto trading or even crypto investing to make sure that they're maximizing the deductions you're claiming. Now, those that are crypto mining may be able to even claim some car expenses for when they're traveling to go pick up mining hardware, for instance. Car and travel expenses are obviously way reduced when it comes to crypto compared to other businesses because a lot of it is being done online. But there is a potential there that if you are traveling to go and pick up hardware, or maybe you're traveling to a seminar or a course that may be interstate, or maybe you've got to drive to it, you've got to fly overseas for it, some of this may be claimable, but it is just rarer compared to traditional travel in normal businesses. I hope that's been helpful. Make sure you discuss it with your accountant if you're running any of these things, and making sure they're actually understanding and they understand how crypto works, because it is different to a lot of other traditional businesses. If you want more crypto tax tips, go and check out some of the other videos I've got on my channel. I appreciate you watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.